Welcome to another episode of Jamaican Jeopardy. Our first contestant from the University of the West Indies, Dr. Dick Bigman. And from Clarendon, our returning champion, Miss Dirty Girl Fab Soap. Question number 1. How far back does Jamaican history go? The 1800s. Incorrect. Fra Wapikil Philip. Correct. Question number 2. What is the cause of weight loss and diarrhea in Jamaica? Clearly poor nutrition. Incorrect. What is somebody walk obier on them? Correct. Question number 3. Match the following places with their geographical location. Cayman, China, New York, and England. I definitely know this one. Cayman, the Caribbean. China, Asia. New York, North America. And England, Europe. I'm sorry. Cayman is off the island. China is overseas. New York is foreign. And England is abroad. Correct again. And now our final question. Complete the Jamaican anthem line. Jamaica. Clearly, Jamaica, land we love. You don't tired forget rang bang. Jamaica, boom. Correct. And once again, victory for Miss Dirty Girl Fab Soap of Clarendon. Thank you, sir. Now give me the money. Come and owe the people them partner and them are in the audience.